students, welcome again in maths classes. Today we will solve exercise 1.3 of class 6 and we will solve questions 1, 2 and 3. This exercise is basically we cover concepts of addition, subtraction, multiply and division, and very basic questions are there. So there are word problems. This is the important thing. There are word problems, means the problems are given in the form of words or sentences. You will convert the given statements into the form of some addition, subtraction or any mathematical operations and you will solve them. But there are basic concepts, so it is based on your comprehensive part. Okay, comprehensive means आप क्वेश्चन को कैसे समझते हो, किस तरह से उसको हैंडल करते हैं, दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. सो वी स्टार्ट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ मर्चेंट हेड. ओके, अ मर्चेंट हेड रुपीज. यू कैन also read the questions from my book. See, this is exercise 1.3. okay, and this page number 14, exercise 1.3, question number 1, 2 and 3. These questions we are solving. First question is, a merchant had rupees 80,290 with him. He placed an order for purchasing 50 ceiling fans. What are ceiling fans? You can just see upside. This is the ceiling fan in your room. 50 ceiling fans at rupees 1200 each, means cost of each fan is rupees 1200. How much money will be left with him after the purchase? So you must understand the meaning. एक मर्चेंट है, उसके पास टोटल अमाउंट कितना है? Amount is rupees. So you can write, okay, in a proper way. We have to consider the total amount and the total amount of the 50 fans. Now amount is rupees 80,290. Then we write cost of 50 ceiling fans. There is a very important concept. Suppose if the cost of a marker is rupees 20, what will be the cost of 5 such markers? It is 20 into 5. Okay, we will multiply. So cost of 50 fans is rupees 50 into 1200, because cost of one fan is 1200, so multiply by 50. Now it is multiplication. So when there are zeros, it becomes easier. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So write 3 zeros. Then write the numbers except zeros. 12 and 5 ja. It is 60. Very simple. Okay. So finally the merchant had spent this amount 60,000. It means initially उसके पास 80,290 रुपीज़ थे. जब उसने 50 फैंस का ऑर्डर दिया तो उसने टोटल कितना अमाउंट स्पेंड किया? रुपीज 60,000. ओके, देन व्हाट इज द अमाउंट लेफ्ट विथ हिम? उसके पास कितने रुपए बचे? सो आप इस अमाउंट में से इस अमाउंट को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. करेक्ट? देन अमाउंट लेफ्ट इक्वल्स रुपीज 80290 and you can write in this way. Okay, it is not a problem. Subtract, sign of subtraction, and that is 60,000. So what will be the answer? As I hope you know the process of subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 0, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. This is the answer. So the answer is 20,290. Okay, so we also check it. Now it is question number 1, exercise 1.3. Answer is 20290. Okay, this is the correct answer. So pause the video and note. Next is second question. It is the distance between the school and Rahim's house is 1 kilometer 420 meter. Every day he walks both ways. Both ways means when he goes to school and will return back to his home. जब वो घर से स्कूल जाएगा तो फिर से रिटर्न होकर अपने घर आएगा. It is both ways. Find the total distance covered by him in 5 days. So we write distance covered by him in 1 day equal. So be careful. The distance between the school and the house is 1 kilometer 420 meters. So you can write 1.420 kilometer. Okay. But he walks both ways means you multiply it by 2 because when he will go to the school, then after the school gets over he will come back to his house. So it is the distance covered by him in 1 day and distance covered by him in 5 days. Now this is the distance in 1 day, then you just multiply by 5. Get the answer. 5 into 2 into 1.420 kilometer. It is decimal here. Okay. So it is 5 to ja 10 simply. Now if you multiply a number by 10, it is very easy. आपको क्या करना है, उस नंबर के आगे एक जीरो पुट करना है और फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंग डेसिमल प्लेस करना है. सी, जब भी आप डेसिमल नंबर यानी यहाँ पे जो आपको पॉइंट दिख रहा है इट मीन्स इट इज अ डेसिमल. जब भी किसी डेसिमल नंबर के साथ आपको मल्टीप्लाई या डिवीजन करना होता है तो आप डेसिमल को पहले अवॉइड करें. यू हैव टू परफॉर्म द मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवीजन देन पुट द डेसिमल. ओके. सो when you multiply 1420 by 10, you have 1420, one more 0. Now find the position of the decimal 1 2 3 after 3 digit 1 2 3. So it is 14.200. Now you can write your answer is 14 kilometer and 200 meter simply. So this is answer, and for your convenience I check also. So it is question number 2, exercise 1.3, 14 kilometer 200 meter. So it is right answer. Students, pause the video and note it down. You can take the screenshot also so that you can see it again in future whenever you are interested. Next is third question. Okay, third question is very different but it is quite interesting. The number of sheets of paper available for making notebooks is 75,000. Okay, it's a very big amount. Means as you can see that this is your textbook. Doesn't matter, some pages are used here. Okay, like this. So there is a sheet of paper. Okay, there are big sheets of papers. And how many sheets? 75,000 sheets of blank paper, very big sheets. They are cut down in some ways to make the notebooks. So each sheet make 8 pages of a book. Means जो एक बड़ी शीट होगी उससे हम 8 पेजेस बना सकते हैं उसको कट करके. So each notebook contains 200 pages. Similarly, okay, जैसे बुक है इसमें 200 पेजेस है. So some notebooks are made. How many notebooks can be made from the paper available? This is the question. So I am going to tell you how to solve this. Number of sheets required for a notebook equal 200 upon 8, that is 25. Simply again, number of notebooks made by 75,000 sheets equal 75,000 divided by 25. So easily you can divide. As you know, 75 is easily divisible by 25. So write 25 3 ja 75 and write 3 zeros. So the answer will be 3000. Okay. Honestly, see the video again. You can take a screenshot of this video, or you can pause the video and note in your fair copy. Then try to solve the questions in your homework. Okay.